Hello, my name is Dr. William Park with Bless Smile and Smile on You Dentistry. Today we'll be talking about whitening your teeth. So these days I get a lot of questions about teeth whitening and about what patients can do to make their teeth whiter. We have a lot of different options for things that we can do to help you achieve your whiteness goals. But before we can talk about that, we need to kind of discuss why your teeth might be darker or discolored before we can kind of prescribe a treatment for you so that it can be suited for exactly what you need. Teeth can be stained for a number of different reasons. We classify these into extrinsic, which is something on the surface of your tooth, or intrinsic, which is something that's going on inside of your tooth itself. Extrinsic stains include stains from things like food, drinks, or smoking. Again, these are things that are going on outside on the surface of your teeth, and these are things that can be targeted by whitening, and we have a number of different other options as well. So this includes foods and drinks like coffee, tea, certain vegetables and fruits with lots of color in them, wine, and even white wine can contribute to some kind of tooth staining. Smoking or chewing tobacco will also stain your teeth. Intrinsic stains can be stains from environmental sources, from trauma, from use of certain kind of medications, from normal aging, and even genetic conditions can have some kind of role in this. With intrinsic staining, since this is going on inside of your tooth rather than just on the surface, it can be a little bit more difficult to target just by normal teeth whitening. You may need some kind of further treatment like veneers, dental bonding, or crowns to help you achieve your goals. Certain regions, especially outside of the US, may have different mineral content in their water, which may cause some kind of whitish pattern to your teeth. Certain medications, especially those prescribed outside of the US, may also have some kind of role in discoloration of your teeth. If you've ever had trauma to the tooth from hitting it or falling it, and you got some kind of root canal treatment or nerve treatment, your tooth may also be a little bit darker. And as we age, the inner layer of the tooth gets darker, and this can be a little harder to target with whitening agents which act more superficially. And stains can also be related to genetic conditions like amelogenesis imperfecta or dentinogenesis imperfecta, which will discolor your teeth, but luckily there are some things that we can do to help you achieve your goals. As you can see, there are a number of different things which may be contributing to the discoloration of your teeth. Some of these may be fixed by just using a whitening toothpaste at home or just using some kind of whitening strips. We'll be talking about those in the future. But some of the other sources of staining may require further work by your dentist. If you're interested in learning about how you can whiten your teeth at home, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to learn about all the things that you didn't know that was going on inside your mouth and with your teeth. Thank you for watching.